Your man told me I should not go far because I'm not an far. He told me I should drink river water so I can live forever.
Chase, I beg, come over, reason one side.
So why you want reason with me? I know be on my lane now. Why you gonna follow me the reason now?
Can you stop for you?
Reason me, yeah.
Now business, so come on.
Bro, share with me. Let's grow together now. What's your business about? Share it, bro.
And so you get one contract where I've been started on Friday.
Okay.
So I use my things. While I was doing the contract, it's a business mega deal, though. So, you know, one or two things happened, held me down.
Bro,
so
go straight to the point now.
I don't know if you can just like touch me. Just touch me.
I know be gay now. Why I go touch him? See this man chill. Bro, see, if you want beg, beg. If you don't want beg, no beg. Go straight to the point here. What do you want from me?
Never.
It depends on the angle you look at it. If you look at it from the left back,
You play game for you. My man, she sure you want beg me or you don't want beg?
that's what you want, Joe. Chase, me and you.
Yeah, you know Jay. I know you before. My man, she stay cheesed up now, my bro.
Chase, my mega deal,
My mega deal. Sabi that mega guy for they do snap.
I did my own, Toto find me, come.
I'm on every time 2 glasses go they slug or door.
So sorry, so sorry, I'm late. Sorry. Let's go for lectures. Let's go.
Why they sweat like this? Every talk say you carry boats.
Oh, lo, lo, lo.
Ah, na thunderbolt, na he carry. They get these bands, boy. Before they go class now. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro, try to use some spray now.
Where will we go, guy?
Push me like that now.
All of us, they struggle for
I ain't been on my matches.
Hey, Chase.
I got slap with you now. It's the soap.
You came late now.
Chase got enter this car. Now my boss with this. Now within the soap.
You come late.
Are you sure we say I came late? I would have thought that kind of thing.
Why now they look me now? Which one say?
Calm down now.
Come down now, boy. Within the soap.
Bobby, calm down now, bro.
Yeah, now they surprised me for this our friend group. Now me wake up this morning, wash car, change tire, wait flat.
Calm down, make it calm down now.
So I go wash car, when I go time make I come out.
Hey, no. Easy now. I bet we get 100 naira for there. Make it easy on enter motor. Hold on, my G.
What kind of rubbish is this?
Hold on, no collect them.
What kind of
Go.
rubbish is this? I go wash car finish and I go come out. God, I know beside I know the hustle. They drop 100 naira on floor for me.